Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UM425Q. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Asus UM425Q gets so hot it burns to touch. This overheating can be caused by dust accumulation in the cooling system, a failing fan, or even thermal paste that has dried out. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to hardware failure, which can be costly to repair. To resolve this problem, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure that your Asus UM425Q is completely powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, clean surface to avoid scratches. Begin by removing the screws on the back panel with your Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws safe, as they will be needed to reassemble the device. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Take care not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Now, locate the cooling fan and heat sink, which are usually situated near the processor. These components are typically secured with additional screws, so remove them carefully. Once the screws are out, you can gently detach the fan from the heat sink. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust that may have accumulated in the fan and heat sink. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. After cleaning, apply a small amount of thermal paste onto the processor. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. Then, carefully reattach the heat sink and fan, making sure to screw them back in securely. Reconnect any cables that were disconnected during the process. Once everything is back in place, carefully replace the back panel of your Asus UM425Q, ensuring that all clips snap back into position. Reinsert the screws and tighten them gently, making sure not to over-tighten, which can damage the casing. Finally, power on your device and monitor the temperature to ensure it is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the vents and fans of your laptop to avoid dust buildup. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad to help maintain optimal temperatures during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.